Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to delete a Roblox account in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to delete your account on Roblox, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To delete your Roblox account, first of all, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the three dots more icon at the bottom right corner. Now, a menu will appear with different options. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. A new settings page will open inside the app. Now, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Again, a new screen appears. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Account Deactivation and Deletion. Now, tap on the Initiate button next to the Initiate Account Deletion option. A pop-up appears. From here, tap on the Initiate button to remove your account. Now, on the new screen, tap on the Accept All button and follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, your Roblox account will be permanently deleted and you will no longer be able to log in.